Want to attract more money and peace into your life? Did you know your wallet could be blocking your abundance? Today, I'm sharing 5 simple Feng Shui tips to transform your wallet into a magnet for wealth. First, let's clear the chaos. Empty your wallet completely. Yes, every receipt and old card. In Feng Shui, clutter blocks energy flow, which can stall your finances and stress your mind. Keep only essentials. Cash, a few cards, and maybe a small photo that sparks joy. Toss expired cards and receipts. They're like energetic dead weight. Next, pick a wallet that vibes with abundance. Feng Shui loves colors like red, gold, or green for wealth. Black or brown works too for grounding. Avoid worn-out or cheap wallets, they signal lack. A quality wallet shows the universe you respect your money, which invites more in. Here's the surprising one. How you arrange your wallet matters. Keep cash neatly organized, facing the same direction, in order of denomination. This shows respect for your money and creates order, which Feng Shui says attracts more wealth. Add a small charm, like a jade coin, for extra abundance energy. Always keep some cash in your wallet, even just a small bill. In Feng Shui, an empty wallet signals scarcity, while cash keeps the energy flowing. Think of it as a seed for more money to grow. Plus, having cash on hand reduces that anxious "I'm broke" feeling. Finally, give your wallet an energy refresh. Once a month, hold it and visualize it glowing with positive energy. You can also place it near a clear quartz crystal overnight or wave it through sage smoke if you're into cleansing rituals. This clears stagnant vibes and aligns your wallet with abundance and peace. These Feng Shui tips don't just attract wealth, they create a sense of order and calm. Every time you open your organized, vibrant wallet, you're reminded to stay intentional and grounded, which is huge for mental wellness. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Feng Shui, Reiki, and mental health tips.